Florence Nightingale has taught us that the process of healing truly begins with the environment that surrounds the patient. Clean, fresh air, natural light, and proper nutrition are essential elements that contribute to the recovery of patients faster and better. Every single detail matters when it comes to creating a safe, healthy, and welcoming environment for both the patients and their caregivers. As a professional nurse, my primary concern is not only to care for the physical well-being of the patients, but also to take care of their psychological and emotional needs.